In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard on Bill.com, and you want to go to the left here, scroll down, and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you want to then go over here on the left where it says Sync and Integrations. Click on it and click on App Center. In here, under Available Apps, you'll find QuickBooks Online, so you want to click on this Connect button next to it, and then it's going to take you to a separate tab in your browser where basically you're going to have to sign into your account. So as you can see, I've done this already. I've been signed in earlier, so of course I don't have to do it again, but for you it's going to first show you the option to put in your credentials, so your username and password you use for QuickBooks Online. Then in here, it's going to basically tell you you need to create a company to use with your app if you haven't done that yet. So I'm actually going to create one right now because I haven't done that yet, and I'm going to click on Create Company. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then you have to go through some additional steps, which I'm going to show you, and you'll be able to basically connect it and sync it to Bill.com. So there we go. As you can see, now I've done it, and it says connecting Bill to IHT, and you can just go ahead and click on the Connect button over here. Wait for yet a few seconds for this to actually load, and there we go. So as you can see, it's going to now refresh my Bill.com, and it's going to basically sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. So over here, there we go. It's now basically pulling the chart of accounts. It's pulling everything. Now mine is empty, of course. There we go. It's completed. You can click on Setup down here, bottom right. And now when you do that, you'll be able to basically select accounts for different things. So I'm just going to click on something random over here just for this tutorial. But of course, for yourself, make sure you take your time and actually sync this correctly. Then I'm going to click on Next yet again. And there we go. I'm ready to sync. I can now click on Sync Now, bottom right, and it's going to start syncing. So as you can see, it's loading this. And then, of course, it's going to take a bit of time, and then it's going to be synced in here. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.